Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jay, and if you are new, hit that red rectangle button. It's down below, right here, followed by the post notification bell so it notifies you when I drop a video. And if you're a returning subscriber, hey, thank you. Please continue to subscribe because I've got lots more for you. Okay, so today's video I'm going to be doing is what I got on Black Friday, or bought on Black Friday. Now, Black Friday started years ago. I don't know what exact date. Y'all comment down below if you know the exact date. Black Friday, I guess they said they came up with it because it helps you get deals. Well, I don't believe everything is a deal. That's why I don't really go crazy for Black Friday shopping. Not everything is a deal. It helps you get gifts for whoever you're buying gifts for, the people you're buying gifts for. So that way you don't have to break the bank. Well, I still thinking you're breaking the bank. Well, it depends on what you're getting, right? Some stuff are on sale, some stuff are not. Okay. Sorry that I look orangey or whatever. My Canon, this one, Canon 97X, this one right here, it died. Like, I was recording. Trust me, I was like midway through. Not even midway through. I was in the beginning. It was recording. It cut off. It was dying. These things die quick. I don't even know why I bought this. But then it's easy, handheld. I need to get a next battery. So right now I'm using my Canon 80. Sounds like I say ADD. AT80D camera. So yeah, bear with me looking funny with this color, look orange. But I don't have time to wait for that to record. I mean, not record, to charge, so I'm just going to use my Canon. I have a next camera, right? Okay. So what I bought is, what should I show you first? What I bought. Okay. So I don't know what it is, but like, to me, I feel like this is brand new. Maybe this has been going on forever. But I feel like it just came out. Last week they had pre-Black Friday. I never seen that or heard of that, but which is good, so you can compare prices. But yeah, they had pre-Black Friday, and I'm like, oh, I should check it out. So I looked in the flyer. I got basically all my stuff at Best Buy, so you guys already know what I got. Well, kind of, a hint. So pre-Black Friday, I went on the Saturday though. And I got some great deals. I feel like for Black Friday, I got some pretty good deals compared to what I got Black Friday for today, which is Saturday. So the first thing that I got from Best Buy is this Sony. Oh, it's upside down. Sorry, y'all. Can you see it? SanDisk Ultra Plus, 128 gigabyte. Well, this is not it. Hold on. Not this one. Sorry, guys. Oh, it is this one. This one too, but I wanted to do the other one first. But okay, let's just go with this. So basically, I got this. When did I get this? On the Monday. During my break time, I drove around the city. Trust me, I drove around the city to get this. Because I was like, I could use this for my 80D camera. The one I'm using right now to record. And yeah, it's 128. And guess how much it was, y'all? $30. $30. I was like, 128 gigabyte? You can't go wrong. Like, it's expensive. So, here's a flyer. So, I bought this on the Monday. I ended up buying, how many did I buy? I bought 6. Because I went one closer to my work, so they only had 2 left. I kept telling them to check the back. They kept telling me they don't have, blah, blah, blah. And then I'm like, yeah, you do. Like, go check the back. One of the other guys, like, I had 2 people helping me. I don't know why 2 people are helping me. So one of the guys said he's going to go check. The other guy was like, no, I'm not going to check. Blah, blah, blah. There's no more. So y'all comment down below and let me know that what I'm saying is right or wrong. When you see only one item left, are they allowed to go check the back? Like, shouldn't they be able to check the back if they want to make a sale? But yeah, anyways, So yeah, I drove around to another, this is Monday off. I drove around to another, what is that called? Another Best Buy to get the $30. If y'all don't believe me, look down here. Let's see. Can you guys see it? I just don't want you guys to see the other one. See, $30 right here. This is last week's flyer. So I bought about, like I told you, you don't believe me, I bought about 6 of them. So here's 2. Here's 2, and here is 4 more, y'all. I stocked up, but then the reason why I only bought 6 is because I was like, I wasn't sure. Also, my coworker was like, well, you gotta be careful because it doesn't work. Well, you have to test out what works and what doesn't. $30, you can't go wrong. So, okay, so there's 1. Y'all see this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 6. Y'all remember when I said I wanted something like this one on my Christmas wish list? So yeah, I said I wanted this, but I bought this. Hold on, can you guys see it? The camera's acting up. There we go. There we go. That one. I said I wanted this one, but it's okay. I bought this. So if you guys are in my Secret Santa gifts exchange thing, I'll put it down here below, or it's going to be in the suggested right here. In my wish list, I said I wanted, what did I say? Memory cards of this one. But yes, I have a lot. You can still buy me. I don't care. A YouTuber has to stock up, right? So there's 8. There's 8 of it. So that was the one that I was running all over the city for. Now last week Saturday, the guy gave me the wrong one, and I kept telling him it's this one. No, where's it at? He gave me this one instead of this one, and I kept telling him it's not this one, it's this one. No, look, it says Ultra Plus. It's the same thing. Where do you guys see that it's the same thing? Maybe because it says Ultra Plus, but this one says 100. This part, what does this say? It says speeds up to 100 MB, right? And this one says speeds up to 80 MB, so 533X, right? You guys looking? And then this one says 100 MB, 667X, right? So how are these the same? But I don't care. Wait, not this one. How are these the same? I don't know, but I'm happy. So I bought 2 of it for $30. I think he also gave me this one because I bought a GoPro. So, what was I going to do? Where's the flyer? There it is. So, last week Saturday, I seen in this flyer, the same exact flyer where I showed you this one. I seen the GoPro because I was like, I need a GoPro. Because I don't think anyone's going to buy it for me. So, I need a GoPro. Also because I'm going somewhere in December. Y'all find out where that is. I'm not going to tell you. It's a sweet surprise. Okay. I'm going to be going somewhere and I need a GoPro. I'm going to be going somewhere where there's water. And I don't want to be holding my G7X. See? And I'm going to need a GoPro with everything. So, it's the same flyer where the thing is at the bottom. See? I seen it for $39. basically 400. I don't know how to read that number. It's basically 400. Y'all see it? 400. And it comes with the helmet and everything all in one. I'm like, yo, that's a good deal. Because GoPros are expensive. Blah, 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 blah. So this is the GoPro 7. I remember in my wish list, I said I wanted the GoPro 5. I'm going to roll the clip right now. Number 6. What I want is a GoPro. The Hero Black 5. Ooh, that'll be good. Wow. Okay. So I said I wanted the GoPro 5. I think that was the newest one, but I didn't even know that they dropped a newer one called the 7. So that's why I said it's better to go in person so you could check everything else. So I went in person and I saw this with the other one that I'm about to show you. So I was like, what's the difference between this one and the other one? The other one has a screen right here. The guy was telling me, the sales associate was saying, the screen right here, so I could see myself, basically like a regular camera. I could see myself in this one instead of flipping it over, right? So I was like, that's good. And it's hybrid, not hybrid. Hold on, let me look at my phone. Oh, this one goes on this side. Okay, it's hybrid. Oh my god, my phone is something else. It's, the difference between it is it's hyper smooth stabilization. So can you guys see that? Oh my god, my camera. So if I put it closer, you guys can't see it. Excuse me. Hyper smooth should be somewhere over there. Hyper smooth stabilization. So and it's HD tone mapping and noise reduction. So basically, compared to this one, I can record in HRD and hyper smooth. It's a hyper. Let me see what. Hyper smooth stabilization. So he asked me what kind of editing software I have. I said Final Cut Pro. He's like, do you know how to stabilize it? Meaning like when it shakes. I'm like, not really. I tried it. It doesn't work. So he said, okay, this one you don't have to edit. Basically, it does everything for you. I'm like, oh, sweet. But I'm pretty sure I still have to edit, right? You have to take out some stuff, but he's saying I don't have to edit. I get this one, blah, 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 whatever. So I'm like, alright. I might as well get that one. So I ended up getting this one, right? Remember I told you with the screen? I didn't open it yet. So this is how it looks like. I got the GoPro Hero 7 Black. It's saying that I could download the app. I used to have the app on my phone, but I deleted it. Oh, I think I still have it on my iPad. If I don't, then I could just download it back, which I don't care about. See, it says iPad right there. It's made for iPhone. It says HDMI. Over here it says iPad and iPhone. I don't know why my camera, I told you, my camera's acting like, if I had the G7X, you know, recording right now, it wouldn't be like this. But anyways, it comes with the camera. Is that the case? It looks like it comes with the case. This part right here comes with the screw. It says it's a this is the battery, I think. These are to hold it in place. I don't know what they're called. These are the cords. So it's showing you when you record and all. That's what happens. And then it says made for Apple. See, there we go. Yay. So it's made for Apple. On this side, it says it's 12 MP. So yeah, the difference is, for the one I was going to buy for $400, this is 12 MB. And the other ones I think are 10 MB, meaning megapixel. 3 feet, 33 feet, 10 meters. See, hold on. So now it's 319. Hold on. Yeah, 10 megapixel. And then this one doesn't come with anything. 319. Oh my god, they even made it cheaper. See how last week for this one I told you it's 400? Now it's saying, oh my god, so this is really a good deal. Now it's saying it's 319. That was what I was gonna buy last week. Can you see the price? 319, y'all. Wow. So, but if I bought the one for 400, I would have came back and be like, no, I want to exchange. I want to exchange. That's what I did today. So I bought this Hero 7 or whatever. Okay, see, there's the HRD. I'm not even done this. It does GPS for you, hyper smooth, and live streaming. And then there's the front. It goes 4K, and then it's 60. There's the front, y'all. Can y'all see? Then here it says hyper smooth. Stabilization. I didn't open it yet because why am I opening it? So if I want to open it, I open it from the bottom. And it says there remove. Can you guys see what's inside?